Just going to do a quick unboxing for this DOVOH 4-plane laser level. This is K4 360G model. I got this from Amazon from them to showcase what's inside it, what it's like, and ultimately how well it works. So a review if you will, but this is just the unboxing. We'll just have a quick look at it. Sorry about the light, folks, it's not great today, but we'll see. So in the box, what we've got. That's nice. It comes in it's quite big. It surprised me how big it is. Just a branded black sort of canvas looking case. It's got a nice foam cutout there. I think that's battery. That looks like a battery to me. Lithium-ion battery pack. So it's a nice package. We've got that's why it's so big, I suppose. So Type G UK plug. So it looks like remote, which will be handy. A base and the instruction manual. So 13 pages. Let's show you them and then you can pause the video hopefully at any point. So accuracy, I think they're talking about calibration there. So the instructions seem to be good quality, as originates in China. And there are some good YouTube videos on how to calibrate laser levels, and they all tend to work in the same way. So this is German, so I don't know what we've got, a little sticker there. So that's the instructions. That looks like a target for calibrating somehow, possibly, once I have a look at the instructions. So that's your charge cable. That's nice and solid. Yeah, that looks well made and engineered. This is not cheap plastic at all. How was that packed in there? So let's have a look at the laser level. It feels rugged. This is a rubbery silicon type surface, and this is the 4-plane. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and the one at the bottom 4. So yeah, excited to use this in my DIY lines, keeping things level, really handy. So yeah, that's it. If you wanted to see this, then this is the video for you. Hopefully we'll get some in-action stuff going at another time. Thank you for watching.